Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. For those of you who do not know who I am, my name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoycia Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today to show y'all how to make something really cute, okay? So let's get right on into this. Today, we're going to make a purse tag, a gift purse tag or tag gift or whatever you want to call it, okay? But it's really a purse tag. Now, when I first decided to make this design, okay, I was going to turn these into earrings, which I still may do that. I still may turn them into earrings. But right now, I was thinking about, y'all know the holidays are coming up, but not just the holidays. You have anniversaries, birthdays. If you have a business, this could be something that you actually put on your packaging to take it up a notch, okay? So here are the items that you're going to need. Now, I have of course, a triangle shape right here that I am going to be tracing. But if you don't have a triangle, you can use a square or you can use something round, okay? You will still get the same effect. Now, the only thing that's going to be different is that you will have to, if you can find this I purchased at Michael's. Okay, this is called some printed foam. It's a printed foam sheet. It is foam. Okay, and we're going to make something phenomenal. All right, so the very first thing, now let me get them. You know what? Slow down, Joyce. Slow down. So you're going to need a hole puncher. Okay. You are also going to need to cut yourself a small little strip. Okay, a small little strip, and this strip is about 4.5 inches. It doesn't even necessarily have to be that long. Okay, you're going to need some acrylic paint, some Mod Podge. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this. You don't. Okay, it's completely up to you on whether or not if you do it or not. You do not need to do this, okay, because the sheet that I'm using is a foam sheet. But of course, y'all know me, right? So scissors and a piece of ribbon. Try to get something that is close to what your purse. So whatever ribbon you use, try to get something as close as possible. Okay, that the colors that's in the print. So, and you will need a hot glue gun. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do, and you know what, I don't know if I told y'all this, but I'm moving a little too fast. This company is called Creatology. This is a big company that pretty much works with Michaels. They have a lot of products in Michaels. Okay, so this is the company, this is the foam sheet, and this is the print. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to take and trace our shape. So we're going to trace our shape just like this. And I also want to say, please make sure you like. If you are not a subscriber to this channel, you need to become a subscriber so that when you hit the all button, which is the bell, you will definitely get notifications when I'm uploading different videos, okay? So once you do that, then we're going to take and we're going to cut out our shape. And these are going to be really amazing for you to do because, like I said, the holidays are coming up and you can use them for your packaging. You can use them to put on to your gifts, whatever gift you're doing. So I am cutting this out. And a lot of times, whenever I trace something, I always cut on the inside of my lines, or I try to at least. Okay, go all the way around. Now, the very first thing that I decided when I first cut this out was I was like, I could make an earring, which you can still make an earring if that's what you choose to do. but I'm going to show you this tag. This tag is so adorable. Now what I'm doing is I'm going around to cut off the rest of that writing that is on there. Just like this. Now the very next thing that I am going to do, once I do that, and I still got some up here, I am going to paint the back of this. Okay. So to keep it from being, what I'm going to do next, okay, to keep the video from being so long, I'm going to punch and hole a hole here. And then I'm going to punch a hole down here. Just like that. And then I am going to paint the back. So I'm going to paint the back black. And then I'm going to add a coat of Mod Podge. And I'm going to do that and I will be right back. So as you can see, I painted the back and I added one coat of the Mod Podge. Okay. And y'all, when you go into the dollar store, make sure you buy plenty of these, all right? Because you stock up on them. You will never have enough of this, okay? You will never have enough. So the very next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ribbon, and I hope I said that in the beginning, but I'm going to take my ribbon, and we already punched a hole. And I am going to take my ribbon and I'm going to bring both pieces together like this. And I'm going to take my ribbon through the bottom part of the hole, just like that. And take it through the top. Okay. And then when I get here, I'm just going to bring these two together like this. I'm going to pull them together just like that. That's pretty much what you're going to have. Isn't that a cute purse? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take and tie this just like this. I'm going to bring it down like that. Okay, just tying it. And then I'm going to make a bow. I'm going to make a bow. So I'm going to come here and do this, making my bow, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to, a little at a time, pull it like this, so I can get the look that I want. Okay, and there you have. So now I got my little bow on there. The very last thing I'm going to do, this right here is the strip. Remember I showed you this is going to be my purse handle. Okay, so I'm going to take some glue, a hot glue gun. Now this I left like this. Brown, I just cut the strip. And like I said, it is approximately about 4.5 inches long. Okay. And I'm going to take my glue gun and I'm going to hit it with a little glue on the end. Ooh. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to come here and place it just like that on the inside. Okay. And then I'm going to bring it over That's all stuck on my hand. I gotta clean my board off. So I got this side on. So now I just need to get this side on. I'm gonna come here, and I really don't want it to be that long. See my little purse? All right, now I'm gonna bring it all the way over here and bring it down. Now I took it through, and I got it, I bought it all the way over here on the side. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna add a little bit more glue to it, to the end. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to take it through, bring it over and squeeze it down on there like that. All right, now I just squeezed it down, and there's your purse. Look at this. Now I gotta clean it up because of the glue. But here is our purse. This is so cute. This is something that you can make. I'm trying to get this off my board. Okay, so once you get your bag completed, I am so in love with this. You are going to, and I didn't mention this in the very beginning, but get yourself some jute cord or whatever you have. It doesn't even have to be cord. It could be another piece of fabric, another piece of ribbon, but I'm going to be using this. And all you want to do pretty much is you're just going to attach this to your bag and then attach it to the present or whatever you're going to be connecting it to. You can either make a knot like this, just make a knot in it, and then you can still take some tape and add it on to whatever project you decide that you want to use. And then you can also take and if you want to, you can take some tape and place it onto a card. Now let me see how that would work. Card right here, and you can take these are just some ideas that you can use these for, and you can take and put some tape on it, or you can flip it this way and put some tape on it like that. But I just thought that this would add something so phenomenal and so different to your packaging. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. And I hope this video has helped. See ya.